Hi everyone, this is Max with MxChat, and today I'm very excited to release and introduce you to the new MxChat update to the video generation add-on. We bring this out in version 3.00. What you're going to notice is quite a makeover here. It got the new UI navigation and enhancement to the layout to match the rest of the plugin and the MxChat core and the rest of the add-ons. Along with that, we're going to introduce a new studio feature and some new video generation models as well. This first tab here on the generate, this is just your regular generate video option to where you can enter a prompt, you can enter in a reference image, and generate videos directly from that. These are individual single videos at a time. Currently, you can select from a variety of different models. You have Google Veo, OpenAI, and then Grok's Imagine that was just released. What I really want to focus on today is the brand new feature, which is the studio. This will allow you to create multiple scenes that all flow together instantly, and then you can stitch them together using the new Video Studio that's available exclusively for MxChat Pro members. It'll allow you to upload the zip file directly here, quickly edit a video, and then export it. And I'll cover all of that in this video today. Currently, the studio only supports Gemini 2.5 and 3 for images and Grok Imagine for videos. The reason is because currently only Gemini really has the feature set needed to make this possible with their image editing and their reference image capabilities. As for the video, Grok Imagine was just the first video software or the first video model that will be implemented. I chose that one because it is the most affordable, much more affordable than OpenAI or Veo, which would cost quite a bit of money to create these videos. And Imagine is good enough at the moment, but I will add Veo and Sora to this workflow where you can choose that video model if you would like. Currently, you can adjust the settings for the studio here. You can use the Gemini 2.5 or the 3. So today we will look at 2.5. Let's go ahead and create a little video here. I'm going to quickly run through this for you. It works in stages. I already have just a random script put together here that I just used AI to make this little marketing video thing. I'm going to go to scenes, select 3. I'm going to leave aspect ratio there, and duration, we will go to 7. Now, once again, video models, especially Imagine, it's very affordable, but it is not perfect. There are imperfections. There are ways you can regenerate the video if it doesn't look correct, and I'll show you that. But also, I like to choose a little bit longer duration for the scene than what I'm expecting to use. Because if there's an imperfection at the beginning or the end, it does allow me to trim it easily in the Video Studio. But the more you play with it, the better you'll get. With this, I'm going to select 3 characters. Gemini 2.5 only supports a max of 3 reference images. If you are using Gemini 3 here, you can select up to 5 characters, and it'll also automatically generate objects for character persistent and object persistence. So let's go ahead and start with this. Now, the way it works is it goes in stages. It'll first generate a script for you to review. Once the script is finished generating, you'll be able to edit it if you would like. So you can see here's the script. It goes over the camera, the lighting, etc. After this, you can just click approve, and it'll start with the characters first. From here, it'll allow you to review the characters. You can regenerate the characters if you don't like how they look. You can add a prompt when regenerating, or you can actually even upload your own character if you would like. That can be any sort of photo that you have previously made. You can upload it and use that as a reference image. All right, so as you can see, it generated our 3 characters here. And if you hover over them, you can regenerate them or upload your own character at this point if you would like. We're going to go ahead and approve and generate the scenes. So the next step is it's going to make the actual scenes for the video clips. These scene images, the way this works is the video models will take it'll take the reference image, the scene image, and that'll be the first frame in the video. So when you look at this, you just want to make sure that it flows correctly with how you're expecting, and understand that when it does the cutscene, the way that video starts will be the image that you see here. Okay, perfect. So this is what our scenes are going to look like. All right. Once we've reviewed that, we can just go ahead and approve and generate videos. Perfect. So as you can see, now it's generated all the videos, and we can easily just click to review to see how they look. If you don't like the video, you can click to regenerate, and it'll allow you to enter a prompt to either try to fix it or generate what you would like. One thing I noticed here instantly is that in the reference image, the character was facing to the left, but when I clicked play, it seems he walks in from the right. There's going to be some minor imperfections like that, but you have to keep in mind, one, we can trim that in our video studio, but two, these models are improving at a rate that we've never seen before, and while they're not perfect yet, they will be much better in a few months. So just the more you the more you work with these AI models, the more you start to understand what it can do well and what it can't do well. So there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but then once you kind of get a feel for how the models handle things like physics in the video, you'll understand what to look for in your scripts to stay away from or to not create. But today we're going to go ahead and just click continue and download. Now we have all of our videos here. I'm going to download these and save them to my computer. Perfect. So now I've been able to download that. We're going to head over to the Video Studio on MxChat. Once again, that can be found under Tools, Video Studio. It's available for all MxChat users, MxChat Pro members. We're going to start here, button, and we're going to upload the scenes that we just created. After this, all you have to do is you can either drag and drop these onto the timeline here, or you can actually just hover and click the plus button. This also makes it mobile compatible. So you can see by starting out, we can click play and see what that looks like. All right, so what we're going to do first off is trim this intro here to where that first reference image looks a little crazy. We're just going to trim that out. Start this over. All right, that looks good enough. And honestly, just for a demo, this will be sufficient. Now, as you can tell, one thing is the sound is not great, but you can easily click to remove the sound, and what I would do is add a little music track. And what I've done is I really like to add music from Suno. If you're not familiar, Suno is an AI music platform. It's very affordable. You can generate all kinds of music based on anything that you want, and you own the commercial rights to it, so there's no copyrighted, you don't have to worry about any sort of copyright. So I generated just a quick little song to go along with this video. Now we can see what this is like now. All right, and then once again, remember, you can still trim this like that. That walk was a little long at the start, so we could trim that a little bit. Let's try it one more time. Perfect, and then once you're ready, all you have to do is just click export. Great. And then once it's exported, you have your video. And you can easily just click to download the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Once again, the pace of AI is rapidly evolving. And that means also we have to evolve how we are marketing to our potential customers. This is great for social media content. And let me know any sort of feedback you all have. Be on the lookout. There will be another update in the next week or so that will bring both Veo and Sora into this movie studio flow. That will actually produce content that's even far better than what you just saw here, except it does come with a price, so just be prepared for that. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate all the support, and have a wonderful day.